So here's a video about making kitchen cabinets using Kreg tools, Kreg jigs and stuff like that. I'm not going to give you dimensions other than usually most of your kitchen cabinets are around 24 inch deep or less, 22 to 24, and that's from the back of the wall to the fascia boards you put on the front of them. If you make them deeper than that, your countertops probably won't fit. This right here, this pocket hole clamp by Kreg, it's worth almost $40 they ask for it. These clamps here, I like them. They work good. They don't scar your wood up. The corner clamp, if I had to choose between this and this, I would definitely get the pocket hole clamp. This is it works, but it's not as good as you would think. I am using some wood glue with all this, and of course you'll need the pocket hole jig. That works good. So as you can see, you put the pocket hole screws in here. You got to get the right length for whatever size wood you're doing. So you just read on the box, and they don't have threads on this part. You want to use the screws for the job. Anyway, you put them in there. And it's not steel. You can strip it, and you'll have to buy their long bit or have you a long bit. And that's it. If you keep going, you'll just strip it out of the wood. And you can see it'll pull it out a little bit sometimes. So this is going to be under a countertop, not that big of a deal. But if you're trying to do face work with them, a whole different story there.